Okay. Here are two air conditioners our house. This one is a Carrier Comfort series. Carrier. And this, I believe, is another Carrier. It's real old.
How old is it?
This is a 2000 and this is 2010. And nice. That I don't know what this one's on. I don't know what one's off the compressor, but no, but this one just long. Just minutes ago. Not the video. But then those lights turn off in the video. And
You have to look at the camera so we can hear you. What kind of refrigerant does it have?
R-14.
Okay.
And don't know if those are heat pumps. I don't know if both these are heat pumps. This is probably a heat pump, but I don't know if this one's a heat pump or a split. It only heated one winter because this is from 2010. Energy efficient. Air conditioner, Hero.
Anything else?
I don't know what this one came on. This one came on minutes ago. I'm kind of scared. Oh, this thing's loud. This thing's real quiet because, well, you hear it when you get really close. So it's 2000 Carrier and the 2010 Carrier. I don't know what kind of compressor these have. That one's one
Remember, you have to look at the camera or we can't hear you.
Okay. And who they are? Nice air conditioners. This one's clean, but this one has a bit of rust.
Yeah, it sure does.
Yeah. Pretty nice. This one would probably turn off because this one needs to turn out. And turn them on at like 5:40 in the morning. But then we keep them on for the rest of the afternoon and dinner, and then like 9:55 turn those off.
How many tons are these?
This is a
Okay. I'm pretty sure the big one's a 3.5. I mean, the big one's a 2.5. The little one's a 3.5. Remember? I think that's what it is.
And this is a 2.5 ton, I think, and this is 3.5 ton, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
And look at that. You can see that?
Yeah.
On
And
the,
how many sear is each one?
16 sear, 10 sear.
Okay.
Yeah. And realize there's holes in all. But you see it from that top, from that window.
Yeah, you sure can.
But you don't hear them as loud as you hear out here.
Right.
And from this window, you could also see both too.
Yeah.
And this one's for the downstairs, this one's for the upstairs.
Yep.
Again, and there's things in there that are
Tell me when you're done.
yeah,
You're at almost 7 minutes.
okay, and